Imagine you're on holiday at the beach and you want to capture some amazing memories on video. But not just any video. How about 3D spatial videos? Now you can with the XREAL Beam Pro. Hey friends, for the last few years I've tried many types of AR glasses, from cheap ones to expensive ones, and for all of them to properly work, they all require a blocky computing brick. And even then, the usability was pretty basic and it did not feel like the operating system was fully integrated into the whole AR glasses experience. But all of that has changed with the XREAL Beam Pro and its matching Air 2 Pro glasses. Finally, a fully integrated Android AR glasses system for everyone. Now, before we get into the hardware specs and the awesome 3D video capture features, a big thank you to XREAL for sponsoring this video demonstrating the awesomeness of its XREAL Beam Pro system. A quick unboxing shows the care with which XREAL treats its products. It looks premium and feels premium from the get-go. Look familiar? Yep, this device is essentially like a smartphone, or rather a handheld tablet, engineered specifically for its AR glasses. I like the stylish white clad body, easy to hold with all the buttons in the right place for easy access. And speaking of buttons, there's only really 3 buttons. You have the red button to toggle between the different viewing modes. You have the volume rockers for increasing and decreasing volume. And on the bottom, you have the on button to turn it on or wake it up from sleep mode. Let's look at the 2 ports on the bottom. You have 2 USB-C ports. One is for charging, and the other one is for XREAL's AR glasses like the Air 2 Pro. This dual setup means you have infinite battery life when it's plugged into the charger. But of course, my favorite part is the 3D video recording feature, thanks to the dual cameras on the back, optimally spaced apart for spatial capture of 3D photos and 3D spatial videos to enjoy on your XREAL AR glasses. Since this device is made for media consumption, it has a feature that few smartphones have today, and that's a microSD slot to expand your storage. It can support up to 1 terabyte cards. This means you can load up your favorite TV shows and hundreds of movies. And if you want the hardware specs, here they are. The Beam Pro features a full HD 6.5-inch LCD screen, a Qualcomm Snapdragon spatial computing processor, 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 or 256 gigabytes of internal storage, Wi-Fi 6 for fast streaming, and Bluetooth 5.2 for connecting other Bluetooth devices like headphones. It runs Android 14 and Nebula OS, which boots up the minute you connect it to XREAL's own AR glasses. For a content watcher like me who's into Netflix and YouTube, I'm impressed with how quickly I'm up and running. It's easy to use, similar to any other Android device. You have a traditional app drawer with all your apps, access to the Google Play Store so you can install any app you want, and the usual customization options you expect from Android, like apps in a folder and widgets on your home screen. Now for the magic of the Nebula OS. When you plug in your XREAL Air 2 Pro AR glasses that I have, the Beam Pro boots into Nebula OS and the Android screen becomes a custom interface that lets you use it as a touchpad to navigate the AR interface through the glasses. The built-in gyroscope lets you use it as a pointer. The home screen in the interface is basically your app launcher with a honeycomb layout for your apps. You can swipe left and right through the home screen and rearrange the layout so your most used apps are always on the first panel. When you open an app, the interface display has the app name at the top and options for opening the app in portrait or landscape mode. You can also have 2 apps open side by side. This feature makes the Beam Pro a multitasking AR powerhouse, since you can have a Google Doc and a Chrome browser open next to each other for convenience, or YouTube playing while you decide what to play on Steam. The red button on the side of the Beam Pro lets you toggle between 2 display modes on your AR glasses: Smooth Follow and Body Anchor. Smooth Follow is self-descriptive. If you move your head left, right, or up and down, the screen smoothly follows along. Other AR glasses have something similar, but it's kind of jittery, very basic. XREAL has really perfected the smooth follow of its AR glasses. On the other hand, Body Anchor freezes the AR screen in space, letting you move your head while the AR screen is anchored in the same spot. So which is best? This is my recommendation based on how I've been using it. Start with Smooth Follow, and this will be different depending on your body position: standing up, sitting down, reclined, lying down. Once the screen follows you to the position you want, You lock it in place to body anchor by pressing the red button again. Pressing this red button toggles you back and forth between smooth follow and body anchor every time you want to adjust that AR screen. The 90 Hz refresh rate and low latency ensures a high performance experience when you pair the Beam Pro and the AR glasses with some very good Bluetooth headphones. Now you can have a full-featured movie experience whether you're on a plane, in the back of an Uber ride, or sitting in your car waiting for your kid to get out of swim practice. I had no issues watching hours of Netflix and YouTube while sitting in the car waiting for the wife and kids to finish their shopping. Out of the box, from the get-go, you could download your favorite streaming apps from the Google Store or download your favorite movies and watch them offline on those long cross-country flights. And if you enjoy gaming, all you need is the XREAL AR headset, the Beam Pro, and a Bluetooth controller, and now you can have fun on Xbox Cloudgaming. Dirt 5, Starfield, something new like Neon White, and hundreds of other games at your fingertips anywhere you have internet. And if you have an Xbox at home, you can try playing it remotely with the Beam Pro. The possibilities are endless. Or you can connect the XREAL AR glasses directly to your MacBook via USB-C and enjoy spatial computing on an immersive monitor. But my favorite feature of the XREAL Beam Pro that makes this a must-buy, without a doubt, is the 3D spatial camera. On my trip to the pier at Huntington Beach in Southern California, I tested this advanced spatial 3D camera system, recording dozens of videos. When viewed back on the Beam Pro screen, they look like two videos side by side, but when you plug in the AR glasses, these videos are truly three-dimensional and it comes to life. The photos and videos, they're captured with dual 50 megapixel camera sensors spaced 50 millimeters apart to deliver the most immersive 3D videos you've ever seen. These 3D spatial videos are captured at 1080p up to 60 frames per second. The 3D effect works best when your subject is about 1 to 3 yards away like this, and standard video recording goes up to 4K. We've definitely come a long way, and it's so impressive you can capture 3D spatial videos now with something so small, simple, and affordable like the XREAL Beam Pro. But again, besides just capturing video, you could watch Netflix, YouTube, your favorite movies on the AR glasses that gives you that full immersive effect. These lightweight glasses has allowed me to watch movies, Netflix, YouTube hours on end without any discomfort. So after using the XREAL Pro for several weeks now, I can confidently say game changer, not just because of the low price point, which makes it accessible to anyone, but because it's simple to use, no fuss. With the Beam Pro and the Air 2 Pro glasses, you no longer have a fear of missing out on 3D spatial videos or immersive movie watching. Try out the XREAL Beam Pro and Air 2 Pro glasses using the XREAL website for additional information. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it out. Until next time, stop the FOMO.